Oppo unveiled the Find X8 and Find X8 Pro yesterday at an event in China and confirmed that both smartphones will get an international debut soon without getting into the specifics. Today, we learned that the Find X8 series will escape China next month. This revelation comes from Oppo's Indonesian branch through a post on X. The brand said the Find X8 series will launch in November but didn't mention the date. It's unclear which countries will get the Find X8 series, but you can expect the lineup to launch in India and key markets of Asia and Europe. We should hear from Oppo's local teams in the coming weeks. In the meantime, you can read our Oppo Find X8 and Find X8 Pro's announcement coverage to learn more about the two phones.